Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back with a new and another project. I hope you will like it, and I will go through the explanation in a while, so stay tuned. So this is the final look of this scarf, and I have used 1.5 ball of each color, so you don't need two of each, just 1.5. 7mm crochet hook. So I started with the whites. I did with the houndstooth stitch, I did 2 rows of white, then 1 row of red. I did that for 11 rows, and then I changed to 1 row each, 1 red, 1 white for 10 rows, and then again the 10 next rows, the last ones, were 2 reds, 1 white until the end. So total was around 30 rows for 200 chains. You'll find the full pattern in link in the description box with all the information you need to get this scarf done. It looks pretty. I didn't expect this, but as I was going along, I chose how to make the pattern. I hope you like it as well. The video tutorial for how to make the houndstooth crochet, you'll find it above the video or in the description box as well. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.